Okay, everybody, it's Stephen F. with a DIY Monday around the house. And today, I'm making a video which I did a while ago. I showed you that I was doing my basement. I didn't get a chance to upload it, but what I did was I put these panels up, as you can see. And these are Main Street wall creations, as you can see. And what they are panels of wood. As you can see right here, this is what I put up so far. The problem is going to be going up the steps.
Be right back.
Okay, everybody, I'm back. That was my daughter wanted to pass. So what I did was I put the panels up to here. If you remove this, you see this is as far as I got. Now I have to finish the wall. What you do is you take the panel, which I wanted to show you, and I'll show you in the last row that I do. You take the panel, and what you do is you take the strip, you crack it right here, like that's what it says to do. If you see the paper, okay, you crack it, and you do is first you line it up to match the piece, like this, just like that. And then you take what we can do is I'm going to do one and show you what I'm talking about. Now, don't have to worry about this because I'm doing it because this is a textured wall, so it's not really sticking. But what I'm going to do is take this strip that I have here of wood, and I'm going to put it right here like this. So it'll be covering a little bit of it, so it's perfect. So what I'm going to do is take the piece and show you how I do it right here. So what we do is we crack it and you peel it back. You peel it back, you get the piece of paper off. Basically like contact paper or self-stick wallpaper, but it's a wood design. So what I have to do now is line it up like this with this piece. So that's the top, and you got to bring it in to it just like that, all the way down. That's the way you want it. And it'll go like this, right on it, like that. Then you take the rest of it, paper that you put on there, off. So it's very easy. So all you do is go like this, right here. You take this piece off, like this. You peel it back like that. So now you know where you want to line it up. What you also want to do is make sure that the wall is dry, because I had sanded it and everything and smoothed it out so that it would take and it'll be that many bumps. So what you got to do is make sure there's no dirt on the wall. So what you do is you get a rag, little rag. I have an old towel that I was using, and I wiped it down, but I want to make sure I get it all off. Okay. So then you take your hand like this and you go, you see that you got it off. Do it one more time. We can take this out now. Sand this on. We're going to place the piece again, lining it up, and then make sure that it was lined up. From the bottom, right there, to the top, like that. That's it. It's lined up. Now, what I have to do with this, because I'm at the plug, I have to cut out the little piece. So what you do is you just get a little razor blade, a little X-Acto knife right here, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'll bring the camera down to the level where I am. I have to bring it down one more thing, as you can see right there, that plug. Basically all I have to do is cut the corner out like this. Basically, that's it. That's all you have to do. And what I got to do is got to do the entire wall that way. But you see, I got this piece on. I'm going to stop tonight and let these pieces. So when I'm done, this is going to go on here like this, just like this, all the way around. So it's basically it. I have a roller for this, but we just want to make sure that it's smooth. Come down and you check it again. If you have to put a little glue on it, you put a little glue on it, but I don't think you have to. So we get, that's how we're going to do it. So that's another piece up. This is what I do with all these. I have a bunch of them over here that I have to do. So I basically showed you what I'm doing with the basement, and next week the entire thing will be finished. And then I filled in some of them over, like over here I filled this in. I have to figure out where this piece goes, like this. See, I filled this in. I will sand this a little better to figure out this piece, how it goes. Like this. This goes this way. Like this. On the wall. I believe it's this way. Just like this. As you see, I have this lined up that way. I think there's a piece, so it goes like this. That's the way it goes, like that. Just like that. And what I do is, so that I know how to line up the pieces, I have tacks in here. I'm going to tack this on the wall. I believe this is the way it goes. So we're going to leave this up. I believe I have another piece that goes up there like this piece. I believe this one goes down here this way, like this. Or is it this one? We'll see. This way. Lines up like this. We'll go this way. We'll figure it out. There's another piece somewhere along the lines. I believe this goes down here. Down here. And then this goes to this, like this. Have to figure it. I have them numbered. I have to figure it out, but this is how it's going to go, like this. Another piece that goes here, but it will go like this here and go across. Got to bring it up a little bit. So, ouch. The piece is going to go up this way like this. So I have to bring this up a little more. So I'm going to do that first before we end the video. I'll come right back. Okay, as you see, this panel goes all the way up here to the corner and comes all the way down to here, like this. And this lines up like this. The piece will come this way. The piece that will go this way, like this. So I basically have the idea where I want it. I have to move this now. So I move this to here, to right here, like this. Line it up the best I could. There, like that. The piece comes down like this, just go across like this, and go this way. So in other words, so I have something like this. So we'll go like this. Like this, and then we'll go over. So that's the way it goes. So we'll have to the piece for that, but I believe this is it right here. So we'll line up. I have to adjust it a little bit, but you have the idea. So this goes like this, covers that. So we'll go like this. This will go all the way around. That's the idea, and this is going to be filled in with panels. So I have all my stuff here, all the thing. So what I'll have to do is finish the wall, and like I said, when I get done, this piece will go, which I'll be doing this tomorrow. I'll be doing this tomorrow. I won't show you this. The next DIY Monday video will be DIY Monday. So what I'll be doing is putting this up like this. So that's how it will go on there, like that. This will come down like this, go across like that. That's what it will look like all the way around. And I will show you the finished product. Hopefully by next Monday we'll be completing it. Then I have to redo the ceiling. I had the ceiling tiles and everything else. I wanted to do that because the blower is going and everything else. It shook everything, and the panels are ripped. So it's just fiberglass insulation. So, and I have to get a glass piece for here, which have the light shining down. on, and that's basically it. There's another piece for here, over here, so what the light is. There's an opening in the ceiling here with the fluorescent light. I have to get that panel, clear panel, and put that in. And I'll tighten this light up, and I'll fix the light here. I'll put a little table here, and that's basically it in the hallway. So this is it for Monday's DIY video. I want to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, ding that bell, let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next video next Monday on DIYs around the house. So DIY Mondays. Oh, and then this, I'll be taking this, and I'm not going to fill it in like I did over here. I'm going to take a piece of wall covering like I have here, like this, which is a brick, and I'll put one here, I'll put one here, I'll put them all over the place and paint them. They'll look like they're part of the wall. You'll see I'll put a couple up here too. So that's how it goes. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, remember, I'll say it again, like, comment, subscribe, ding that bell, let me know what you think of the video. And next week we'll be painting and finishing up the rest. I want to show you the thing because it could get frustrating and everything else. I could say some words that are not appropriate for YouTube. This is not for kids. There's a video that you can do. It's very simple. The panels I got from Dollar Tree, and that's it. I did the same thing with the knife here. I cut this piece right here. This is a piece here from over here. This is it right here. This is it. So I may use this somewhere. I'll hold on to it, but that's basically it. That's from down here where I cut. See, down here I cut into the wall. So put a panel up here and here. So what we'll do is put the panels up here first. So I got to see, I'm going to try this, salvage the panels. We'll cut them in half and use the half so that I can line them up like this. In other words, I won't be using that many. I'll be able to cut them like this or this way. I'll line them up this way. See here on the step, I'll line them up this way like this, and we'll cut them. So I'll take a half of one and cut it, and I can reverse it. It'll work out. I'll show you that next Monday. Till next time, go to the Pond and Garden channel, go to the DIY Monday videos that I did. I'll be posting probably 1 to 2 videos a month on the DIY Monday video. Either be decorating or something like that. And then I'll be posting excuse me, Dollar Tree haul every Sunday and maybe one during the week. Go to this Hauling with Stephen F. Don't forget to watch Fish Tank Thursdays, this Thursday, on the Pond and Garden channel, Fish Fridays, and then we'll be back to Saturday and another DIY video on Monday. I'll see you then. Until next time, Stephen F. signing off. Bye for now. See you next Monday. Don't forget to watch my live stream on Tuesday on the Pond and Garden channel at 9 p.m. Eastern. See you then. Stephen F. signing off. Bye.